In this video, I'm going to show you how to make roles on Discord Mobile. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to your Discord server, then go ahead and tap on your server name. Afterwards, please go ahead and select on settings. To create roles in Discord Mobile, you must be the server owner or have the manage roles permission. But anyways, guys, once you're here in your server, just go ahead and scroll down until you see roles right over here and just select on that. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to the top right and select on this plus button right over here where you can go ahead and create a new world. So let's say you wanted to go ahead and create like an admin role, for example. You will go ahead and type in the role name. For this video, I'm going to keep it simple, and then over here you guys can go ahead and select on the color of the role. So let's just go ahead and select on this blue over here. And then you want to press on save. Then afterwards you want to go ahead and press on create, just like so. Now is where you're able to set up the permission. So we got cosmetic right over here, we have member, we also have moderator and manager. So please carefully read through all of these different options, and you want to take into consideration who are you going to give the role to and what the purpose of the role is. All right, but once you went ahead and press on select, you can go ahead and add the members who you want to have this role. So you can go ahead and add yourself, or you can go ahead and add anyone else, and then afterwards you just want to go ahead and press on finish, just like so, and then there you go, your role is now complete. And whenever you go ahead and take a look at your Discord server and you look at the members tab, yep, you'll notice that the role is actually there. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.